Hi, it's Bill here. It's the 7th of February, the 7th day of my trials. Friday was the first day that I got the CBD oil in, so it hasn't been like a full week yet. Good news, last night my eyes weren't blinking at all. They were open and there were no spasms at all in them, and I could watch TV, mostly watch TV without having to use my hand to hold my eyes open. The question is it the CBD oil, or I had a bad tickle in my throat and I took several shots of cough syrup. I know in the past that cough syrup, I took a little too much cough syrup and that killed the spasms completely. Of course, can't go around drinking a bottle of cough syrup every day, so that was out of the question. We'll have to see how things go. I think if you look at my eyes, they're open and the blinking isn't too bad. Last night I did notice a lot, and this morning a lot of spasms around the chin, and we went for a car ride. Oh shit. Can't get the eyes open, eyelids open. Anyway, some more work to be done, see how things go, and I'll report back tomorrow. So I'm out of here. Bye. Wish me luck.